Hello, Mario! Engineering Survey Vlog, Session 5, 28th of August 2017. Hello, welcome. Well, in today's session, we did a couple of activities. So you will recall that the session before, we established a number of new survey marks. And so this session was aimed at completing the survey control segment of the project by using the GPS to locate and survey with observed control points the new marks, as well as the digital level to do some levels on them as well. So this session should complete all of the control component. We should have done enough work for control so that then we can move on in the subsequent sessions to get the topo work done. And then once the topo work done is, we will be in a position to maybe look at some set out and some as-builting. So today's session we set up the GPS over a known mark, one that we had used previously beforehand, and we went round and did observed control points on the 6 new marks as well as a couple of existing ones as well, just to check things out. We did 2 observations. Ideally they would be 2 hours apart, but time was not our friend today, so we managed to do the observations around about an hour apart. So that will give us a bit of variation in the constellation and what have you. And the digital leveling, we did a double, 2 shots on each mark, so we should get a fairly good comparison. So let's just go into the Moodle site there and we'll see what we've got. Unfortunately here we're on News Talk ZB, but here's the Moodle site session 5 and you can see the field work in here. So here's the video that we're working on at the moment, the digital level data here. The digital level data has been produced in the original is there and reduced, and also reduced using an Excel spreadsheet. You'll notice that the marks have just been given as in here as the names, and they differ from what's in the GPS record. We will have to just correlate to make sure that we have got the correct mark names. So that might be an interesting little exercise to correlate the levels we've got with the correct mark name, but I think it's eminently possible. So that's that there. Let's have a look at the digital data from the GPS. I'll just look here at the HTML data, which you'll notice has been added has the existing data from previous, so we used the same jobs and we just added on. So here's today's observations where the marks have been named, and we need to correlate these heights with the detail from the leveling data. So here's the 6 marks that we've done that have been named MN, CS, BH, and so on and so on. So we will have to put some thought into correlating the levels with the marks and to see how that all works out. So I'm pretty sure we'll just get out of here. So that's pretty much the CSV, and the field notes in the video will be there. So I'm pretty sure that's pretty much all we need to know. So a reasonably successful session out in the field. collecting more data, and so our next foray into the field will be to start collecting topographical data, and so that we'll be in a position to draw up our topo plan. So there you go. Cheers. See you.